Kanitha-ini wa Holy Family Basilica guku Nairobi, magana ma etikia marokire kunyitanira thiini wa igongona ria mitha mbere ya gucoka kumagara guthii gukungwira mambura ma Christmas. Igongona ritongoririo ni Archbishop Philip Anyolo uria hinyiriirie a Kenya guikara meiguite thengia ya nditi iria cigumeire family nyingi na oho akihinyiriria matereba kugia na wigiririki niguo kunyihia mitino ya farafara.
We have a lot of economical challenges and many other issues that can hinder any joy. As we talk, we have lost already many Kenyans on the streets, on the roads, traveling back to their places where they would have enjoyed being together as families. But this one also mentioned, we still want to believe God is with us as we celebrate the year of hope.
Akiheana ndumiriri yake ya mambura ma Christmas kaunti-ini ya Mombasa, Muthikabu Martin Kivuva ni akomithitie ciiko cia ungumania thirikari-ini akiuria atongoria kuigiririka wira-ini uria mahetwo ni muingi.
Imekuwa ni mtindo kwamba mtu anaweza kuchukua kama projects aitumie kama kupigia debe, na ilikuwa ni wajibu wake kufanya hivyo. Kama kutengeza barabara ilikuwa ni wajibu wake. Alipoahidi kujenga kitu fulani, shule au hospitali au nini, anapaswa kuendeleza.
Mugabo otauyo ugikio ni Archbishop Anthony Muheria uria uritie atongoria gwithema ungumania, kwiyenda na kuhuthira ũũru tabarĩra cia thirikari gwitongia.
We Kenyans must stop believing in self-seeking greed, trickery in all arrangement, in the cooperatives, in the county, in the government, in the digitalization of things, even sometimes even in this acceptance in the senior schools. There's a lot of trickery that we are putting in everything we do.
Muheria ni ahinyiriirie atongoria gutamburukia guoko kuri a Kenya aria manyihanyihiirwo ihinda-ini riri ria mambura.
How I wish we could learn how to share away from the cameras. Not sharing so that people see us doing and giving, but sharing because we share from the heart. And it's not only the food. Above all, we need to share our hearts.
Nakuo kanitha-ini wa All Saints Cathedral guko Nairobi, maundu matiuma ngurani etikia makinyitanira thiini wa igongona ria hamwe gukungwira mambura maya. Oho makiheo mwihoko wa maundu gucenjia amu family nyingi ikoretwo igumirwo ni nditi cia kibesha hamwe na mangi.
Blessing this season of festivities sometimes come with a little stress. I wish you a stress-free Christmas season. Let's be each other's brothers and sisters keepers, especially as we drive or do other things in different ways.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.